Good evening, students. Today I will start a new chapter of your syllabus, that is the light. Okay. So first of all, we will learn in this chapter what is light, and next for the plane mirror already we have learned that in the previous classes, but for this class we will learn about the spherical mirror, lens, their corresponding some proofs, and then going for the prism, a proof for the prism as well, next for the dispersion of light, and later on the natural phenomena regarding this dispersion of light. Okay, so this is the main outline of this chapter, light. So what is light? Light is nothing but one kind of energy which helps us to see, right? So light has two kinds of properties. It sometimes show the properties of the wave, that is light is one kind of wave, and another thing is that sometimes some phenomena regarding the light shows that light is nothing but the a wave of some particles, some energy particles, that is basically known as the photon particle. Okay. So basically reflection and refraction, these two phenomena show that light is wave, or prove that light is one kind of wave. And next coming for the phenomena like double slit experiment, later on interference, later on polarization, these things show that light is nothing but the wave of some energy particles, that is known as photon particles. Okay, hopefully it is clear to all. Now next thing is that light shows the rectilinear propagation, that is light always wants to travel in straight line. Okay, so regarding this phenomena already you know what is, why shadow is forming, and umbra, penumbra, all these things already you have learned. Now coming for the spherical mirror. So what is spherical mirror? Spherical mirror is nothing but a mirror which has a shape of sphere. Okay, so how it is what is the diagram of this? Let's see the diagram. If I take a sphere, okay, if I take a particular sphere, then this surface can be act as this surface can act as the reflecting surface, or the outer surface may be act as the reflecting surface. So if I break this, so whatever we are getting, we are basically getting two parts of this sphere. First part is this, next part is this. So for this part, this is nothing but my reflecting part, reflecting surface. Sorry, not this part, this inside part is the reflecting surface, and for this part the outer part is basically that is this part is basically the reflecting surface. Okay, so as we are getting two types of reflecting surfaces, so therefore we can say that there are two types of spherical mirror. What are these two types? These two types are basically, first one is called the concave mirror, and next one is called the convex mirror, right? So which one is concave and which one is convex? If the outer part is not the reflecting surface, if the inner part is the reflecting surface, then it is basically concave. Cave means, what is the cave means? Cave means inside something that has grounded or that has a hollow. So that is basically concave. And for the convex part, the bulgy part. So if this part is there as a reflecting surface, so it is called the convex. So if I take my hand like this, so as it is a curving here, so it will be the concave, and the outer part as it is the bulgy part, so it will be the convex. Hopefully it is pretty much clear to you. Next, regarding this concave or convex mirror, basically regarding the spherical mirror, some basic definitions are there. Okay, so let us find out or see what is the definitions are there, or what kind of definition we need to learn. So first definition is the center of curvature. So what is center of curvature? Center of curvature is the center of the spherical mirror of which the mirror is a part. That is, the center of curvature of a spherical mirror is the center of the sphere of which the mirror is a part. Suppose this is my original sphere. It has a particular center O. If from this sphere I have taken this part as my concave mirror, so this center is known as center of curvature of this spherical mirror. Okay. Next, radius of curvature. What is radius of curvature? Radius of curvature is defined as the radius of sphere of which the spherical mirror is a part is called the radius of curvature of the spherical mirror, and it is defined as the letter R. So from this sphere I have taken this mirror. This is basically the non-reflecting part, and this bulgy part is treated as the reflecting part for this sphere, for this mirror. So this mirror is taken from this sphere, and the radius of this sphere is known as radius of curvature. Hopefully it is clear. So this O is known as center of curvature, and this R is known as radius of curvature, right? Now coming for the pole of the spherical mirror. So if I increase this radius, extend this radius, the part at which the extended radius is cutting the mirror is called the pole of the spherical mirror. So it is basically the pole of this mirror. This is defined as P. What is principal axis? Principal axis basically the line that is drawn through the pole. That is drawn through the pole and center of curvature, you can say that. Okay. So these are the basic definitions regarding the spherical mirror. In the next video, I will continue with this chapter. Next video, I will discuss what is focus and next focal plane, and what is the way of drawing the ray diagram. one thing is that if there is any question related to light, you have to draw the diagram. Suppose you have asked for the definition of the center of curvature. You have written the center definition. Afterwards, you have to draw the diagram. And for the light, that in the diagram, if light ray is there, you have to mention, or you have to give the arrow. Without the arrow, there is no marks at all. Okay, so be careful about this. So in the next video, I will continue the rest part. Today I am ending here. Thank you.